Good morning friends, I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In the earlier video, I have discussed what is a regular expression, what are the basic operators are there and what is the use of it, everything we have discussed. In this video, I want to discuss about a regular expression to an equivalent long ways. Means I have taken some regular expressions and what is the long ways it will be generated, we will see. Now if it is a 5, as I said earlier, 5 represents it is an empty long ways. It is an empty set. It does not consist of any alphabets or any strings in it. Okay. So this is nothing but an empty one. Whereas epsilon is a length 0, which represents length 0. See, please don't get confused with these two. Lot of people will get confused with this one. 5 is an empty set and epsilon consists of one string whose length is 0. Okay. Now if you have a b, the long ways can be generated as only b. Means it consists of strings only b, because the regular expression is b only. There is no other operators are there. It is only a simple alphabet is there. There are no operators are there. So we can generate a string called only b. If it is a union operator and b, as I said earlier, if you have union operator A union B, meaning is that either you can take A or you can take the B. Suppose if I take A, I will get A. If I take B, I will get B. So this is a strings we can find and this is the long ways. So long ways consists of two strings A and B. If you have concatenation, so this example is for concatenation. If you cannot recognize it, let me dark it. So you have a concatenation BA. So alphabet B concatenated with alphabet A. Then what is the string you can find? It is BA. So it consists of only one string. So both you have to combinedly take it. Okay. And if you have a clean closure will consist of strings whose length is 0, whose length is 1, length is 2, length is 3, so on. It consists of infinite number of strings. So I can call this long ways as an infinite long ways. All these remaining long ways, whatever we have discussed till now, they are finite long ways because it consists of finite number of strings, whereas this consists of infinite number of strings. So I can call this long ways as an infinite long ways. So I hope you have understood how I got these long ways from the given expressions. So let me discuss few more examples. I have taken clean plus. If I have a clean plus, what is the long ways I can generate? Let me write it here so that it will be visible for everyone. Yeah. We have a clean plus. If I have a clean plus, then it does not consist of strings whose length is 0. It consists of strings whose length is 1, whose length is 2, whose length is 3, so on. So these are the strings possible in the long ways. Okay. The only difference between clean closure and clean plus is that in clean closure, if you remove the epsilon, then you will get the clean plus. So it is not a universal set, whereas clean closure is a universal set. Now we will see the next kind of questions. Okay. You have AB is a one string and B is another string. You have performed using union operator and you want to perform the concatenation. Now if it is simple, like in mathematics how we have done AB into A means AB, we will write it as A square B, but here we should not write A square B, we should write it as, we will get a strings of AB concatenated with A, you will get ABA is a one string, and B concatenated with A, you will get BA. Now you will have AB plus BA, so ABA plus BA, then we can write it as, if you have ABA plus union BA, then we can take ABA or we can take BA. So these are the two strings possible from the given expression. See, let me discuss again. You have AB union B and whole concatenated with an A. So AB first you need to perform concatenation with A. So we'll get ABA. Then you have a union B and A concatenated, you will get a string called BA. Then if I find the strings, what are the strings are possible? ABA union BA means I can take ABA or I can take BA. So I got ABA One time I will take ABA, another time I will take BA. Means it can be anything can be possible. That is what I want to say. So the long ways for this one is ABA or BA. Okay, so these are the set of strings possible. Now we'll see another one. A plus B, A union B. See, if I read it as plus, don't worry, it is a union. Okay, A union B, B union AB. If I want to perform the concatenation, in between them, I have a concatenation. So first we will perform the concatenation. Now A concatenated with B, you will get AB string. Okay, and then A concatenated with AAB, so you will get AAB. So A concatenated with AB, you will get AAB. But all are unions, so I am just writing it as AB I can generate, AAB I can generate. Now B concatenated with B, you will get a string called BB. And B concatenated with AB, so you will get a string called BAB. So these are the set of strings you will get it, because all these things are performed with the union, so anything can come. So AB, AAB, BB, BAB are the strings possible from the regular expression. So this is the long ways for it. Now we will discuss another one. A plus B, A union B, B union A. Lot of people remember this formula, A plus B into A plus B is A plus B whole square, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is not comes in this one. What it will come is that what is the strings which are possible is, you will get A concatenated with B, you will get AB. A concatenated with A, you will get AA. A concatenated with B is completed. A concatenated with A is completed. Now B concatenated with B, you will get BB. B concatenated with A, you will get BA. Now if you see that you got 4 strings, one is AB, AA, BB, BA. So what I can say that you got strings whose length is 2. Our alphabets A comma B. Suppose if someone written as A plus B concatenated with A union B, then meaning is that this is of string length 1, because you are getting A comma B, and this is string length 1. If I perform concatenation between these two, then I will get the strings whose length is 2. Sometimes people may write like this also. Just don't worry. Just if it is meaning is that A plus B is repeated twice, so you will write A union B, again A union B. Between them you will perform concatenation and you will get the strings whose length is 2. Now we will discuss another example. S is an expression consists of A clean closure concatenated with A clean closure. Now what is the long ways I can generate? That is what they are asking. Now first we will write what is the clean closure. A clean closure is nothing but you will get of length 0, of length 1, length 2, length 3, so on. Let's take that, I will write infinity. Now another one is again you will get of length 0, length 1, length 2, length 3, everything you will get it. Now if you see that epsilon concatenated with epsilon, what you will get? You will get epsilon. Am I right or wrong? Epsilon concatenated with epsilon, you will get epsilon only. Epsilon concatenated with A, you will get a A. Epsilon concatenated with AA, you will get AA. Okay, like that you will get, means you will get epsilon, AA, all these things you will get. Now A concatenated with A, you will get AA, already AA is there. A concatenated with AA, you will get AAA, 3 A's. Like that if you see that, again if you see that AA concatenated with A, you will get it. So it is already there in this one. So can you tell me what is this long ways it will generate? It will generate all the strings whose length is 0, length 1, length 2, so on, everything will be there. So can I write it as simply like that? A clean closure. Yes, I can write it this one as A clean closure, which generates all the strings of length 0, length 1, length 2. Again it will generate a universal set. Okay, so A clean closure concatenated with A clean closure, you will get A clean closure only. Okay, and then we will discuss as you got, I think maybe you got, some people would have got the doubt is that, sir, you have written for clean closure, what about the clean plus? If I take the same expression, how it will be? We'll discuss now. If I have expression S consists of A clean closer, not clean closer, clean plus concatenated with A clean plus, what will happen? You just expand the A clean plus, it will be A, you will have all these things. Now if I concatenate again with if I do it, what I will get? We will see. A concatenated with A, you will get A. Okay? A concatenated with this one, you will get A. Okay? If you concatenate A with all these things, you will get A4, yes, all these things. Now what it is? Well, it consists of everything. Now if you see A concatenated with A, 4 A's you will get. Now see, please listen. Single A concatenated with single A, you will get 2 A's. Single A concatenated with 2 A's, you will get 3 A's. Single A concatenated with 3 A's, you will get 4 A's. All these things. Now if you see 2 A's concatenated with A, you will get 3 A's. It is already there. 2 A's concatenated with 2 A's, you will get 4 A's. So what I can say? Will it be clean plus? No, it is not clean plus. Why? It does not consist of length 1. If you see that, you will not able to find whose length is 1. So you will have the strings whose length is 2, length is 3, length so on. All these things will be there up to infinity. So I cannot say that it is again it will generate a clean plus. It is not possible because it does not consist of length 1. Let me take another example. Some people may got this doubt also. Let me explain that one. Sir, if I apply clean closer concatenated with clean plus, what will happen? We'll discuss anyway. Just expand. A clean closer, what it consists of? It consists of string length 0, length 1, length 2, so on will be there. If I concatenate with them using A, because clean plus means you will have the minimum is string length is 1, length 2, length 3, so on you will have. Now just perform the concatenation. Epsilon concatenated with A, what you will get? You will get A. Epsilon concatenated with A, you will get A. Epsilon concatenated with A, you will get A. Like that you will get. Now if you see that again, A concatenated with A, you will get 2 A's. A concatenated with A, you will get 3 A's. So what I can say? You will get all the strings whose length is 1, length is 2, length is 3, so on up to infinity. So I can say as it is a clean plus. So clean closer concatenated with clean plus, you will get clean plus. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood from a regular expression what are the strings I can generate and what is the corresponding long ways for it. In the next video, we will discuss, we'll take few long ways and we will discuss about how to represent a regular expression for it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. If you really like my teaching, please press the like button and give your feedback in the comment section and share the videos with your friends and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much.